Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with one of morning television's former giants, Matt Lauer. Once the face of NBC's Today, his public life took a dramatic turn. So, where is Matt Lauer now? Let's break it all down. Matt Lauer was a beloved journalist and mainstay of NBC's Today Show, co-anchoring from the mid-90s until his abrupt dismissal in 2017 following serious misconduct allegations. His polished demeanor and on-screen chemistry made him a trusted household name. After the scandal and firing, Lauer stepped away from the spotlight entirely. It was a seismic fall from grace that ended a multi-decade media legacy overnight. Where is Matt Lauer now? As of now, Matt Lauer's living a quiet, low-profile life far removed from the world of television. He spends his time between his farm in New Zealand and a residence in the Hamptons. He's in a steady relationship with Shaman Abbas and has reconnected with his children. Though his public appearances are rare, when they happen, they're happening more comfortably, like attending Don Lemon's wedding and blending into social circles again. His looks changed too. Photographed recently, he appeared older and more laid back, signaling a departure from the meticulously groomed on-air persona he once maintained. Despite occasional speculation like Don Lemon suggesting he could attempt a comeback via podcasts noting that fans still gravitate toward him, he has no apparent plans to return to television. Those days are firmly in the past. Matt Lauer's story is a cautionary tale about fame, downfall, and reinvention or retreat. Now, he's chosen an unassuming, quieter path, focused on family and personal peace. What do you think of his current life? Should he ever face public scrutiny again? Or has he earned a private retirement? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this update resonated, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Where Are They Now story updates. Until next time, stay thoughtful and take care.